Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a 2025 review of Tomo Boost, the app designed to help you build credit by paying essential bills like rent, phone, and utilities. If you're curious about how it works and whether it's worth it, stick with me. Tomo Boost works by reporting your recurring payments like rent, phone utilities, streaming services, and more to the credit bureaus. You link your payment methods securely, set which bills you want to report, and every on-time payment gets added to your credit history. It's a simple and automated way to build credit without taking on more debt. The first thing users will appreciate is that there's no hard credit pull when you sign up, which keeps your score intact. The interface is clean and intuitive. You just add each bill, connect your payment card, and you're all set. There aren't any recurring or monthly fees. Instead, Tomo takes a small fee per reported payment, usually just a couple of dollars. Now, let's talk about what people like. Many users say that their scores saw a noticeable bump after a few months, especially renters using rent reporting for the first time. The automated tracking means you don't have to pay extra or think about it. It runs in the background. Plus, there's no risk of overspending or credit utilization since it's based on bills you're already paying, but it's not perfect. First, Tomo is limited to certain bills. You can't report every type of payment, and the options may vary based on your region. Also, because it charges per payment, the fees can add up if you report many bills every month. While there's no subscription, users with multiple recurring payments might find the cost noticeable. Another drawback, customer support isn't always fast. Some users report delays when resolving issues or unlinking cards. And finally, if your credit is already strong, the boost might be minimal. You'll see more value if you're starting with a thin or fair credit profile. So who is Tomo Boost best for? It's really perfect if you have consistent recurring rent, phone, or utilities and want a passive, credit-friendly boost without a credit card or loan? You just pay what you already owe and get credit from it. On the other hand, if you already have excellent credit or you don't have bills that qualify, this might not be worth it. Now, if you're fee sensitive, those small per payment charges can add up. Alright, that's the full 2025 review of Tomo Boost. Have you used it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments side. Love to hear your experience. If this video helped you out, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more credit tools and finance app reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.